In this video, we'll talk about set and hash set. Now, to demonstrate the use of set and hash set, let me first create a list so that we'll understand what's the difference here. So, list, we can say list of integers, and we'll say we'll say its values. Now, one of the way to create a list is using something called as uh, you can also use a class called as arrays.aslist. So if you know the values, you can simply use aslist method in which you can provide the values. So we'll say 2, 5, 6, comma 9. We can provide these values and let's import the package. We want package from util, so we'll finish. Okay, and now if what you can do is you can simply print this value. So if I say uh, int I in values, and let's print the value of this list. So we'll say it's out, let's say system dot out dot println, and if I try to print the value of I, so you can see the output I'll be getting here is all the values. So if I say run as application, you can see it is 2, 5, 6, and 9. Okay, and let's repeat a value here. So if I say after 6 we have again a 5. Okay, so even if you repeat the values, let's run this now. You can still see we are getting two fives. Okay, and what we can also write this with the help of this new array list. I just wanted to show you how we can create a list using arrays dot sort. So arrays dot as list. Now here let's add those elements. We'll say values dot add. So if you say this is element 4, so it will add 4. Then we have values dot add. We can also add 5, and we can say values dot add. We can add a element which is 2, and let's add this 5 once again. So if I add 5 again here, so if you run this code now, you can see we are getting a duplicate elements. You can have 5 and 5. But what if you want a unique elements there? So if you want unique elements, instead of using a list, you can use something called as set. So set on this side, since set is an interface, we cannot use new set. We have to use something called as hash set. Okay, so we can use something else hash set here. Let's import the package import done. And has set also has the same method which is add, and we can use same enhanced for loop. If you run this, the output is 2, 4, and 5. You can see we are not getting any duplicate elements here. Then you will say, okay, it's also getting sorted. The answer is it's not sorting according to the numbers. It is a random sort. So it gets sorted in any way. Sometimes we add any elements. I hope it will get a way so that I can prove my point here. If I say run as application, it's getting sorted in normal way. What if I say 21 here? Run as application. Yeah, you can see it is not getting sorted in ascending order. You can see it is 4, 5, 21, and 9. So it is getting sorted in any random fashion. Okay, so set gives you unique element and it sort the elements in any random fashion. Okay, but what if you want maybe a sorted elements? So what you can do is instead of using set, you can use something called as sorted set. So sorted set gives you that feature. But in order to create object of sorted set, you require object of a tree set here. So you have to say a tree set. Okay, now if you sort this element, it will make sure that you are getting a unique elements plus they should be in ascending order. So this is how we need to use a set, a hash set, also a sorted set, and a tree set. So once again, this set here is an interface, hash set is a class, sorted set here is a, I guess it's an abstract class, and tree set here is a class.